Today we'll talk about how can you enable tickets on your Champions League app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just come here to tickets, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here tickets notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it on your Champions League app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.